Alright, we're in Daikoku PA. Daikoku PA, as I learned to pronounce it today. Had a new friend, living in Shibuya. Uh, drove us all the way over here. I wanted to go here forever. I didn't think I'd be able to this trip low key because I couldn't drive car, but met someone. I'm like, you know what? Why not? I'll just hop in some random dude's car. He had S14. Now we're here. Got a boss coffee at Daikoku PA. Alright, let's take a look. Who's this guy? Oh, it's a girl driving. That's pretty sick. Alright, just finished this. Don't know if there's any trash cans here. Not even gonna bother looking. But I will start looking at these cars. Look at this. Sick chaser. Bro, everything looks like they drift here, especially this guy. Look at that. Like, look at that. It's pretty cool. I love seeing all of this. You don't ever see this just randomly in the States. I'm not familiar. I want to say it's a Mercedes. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I more than likely am. Look at the interior. It's like all leather, custom interior. Or not leather. It's like I don't know, materials. Okay. I'd already seen this car when I first came here. Looks like a drift missile. Small wheels, front camber, no camber in the rear. Oh yeah. I love, you know me, big fan of 180s. Or really any Sylvia. Oh, bro, and the car next to it too. Look at that wide body. I know it's dark out, probably hard to see, but like, it's got a fat butt. Honda Fit? I don't know. That might not be a Fit. Look at this guy. Slammed on some chrome dunks. Not fully chrome, but you know, close enough. Oh, pretty cool chaser. Oh, it's just they're everywhere. All right, this guy looks like it's kind of a ricer. Maybe Tolgate. I mean, it's gutted in the back. It's pretty cool. Definitely one of my favorites so far. Type X front bumper. Origin, maybe. Never mind, Origin. The wing, B-Wave, I think this is. I really want myself a B-Wave wing. The blast pipes. Oh, yeah, this is my favorite so far. I think this is all Origin Labo. The shift knob, he has a shimmer. That's like the same shift knob as me. I think I know where he got that. Mine's just blue. 180. Oh my gosh. Just more, they're everywhere. Like, look at that 326 power wheel. Love those wheels. I forget their name, but I just know their works. America. Got a lot of those where I come from. The Z game. Love the sound of the trumpets playing. I genuinely do like the way these sound. I like a lot. License plate saying 370 is pretty. It's just bonus points. They got those here too? The burbles. Miata. 8.6. So many 8.6s here. I mean, they're everywhere. They new 8.6s, that is. Civic rolling in. My favorite gin. I just personally prefer the hatches, but it's just me. Mark III, pretty sure. Whatever this is. Mini? Don't know. Mark III. We don't normally have these here, or we're California. I mean, we have them, but not very common. I like the wheels too. Very clean interior, no buckets. Is this a stock wing on these? I don't know. You let me know. 350. These aren't very common out here, I don't feel. I've seen more S chassis than I have 350s. Look at this one. Look at that paint drop. Has all the flake. Oh yeah, he street drifts. Front camber. Nothing in the rear. On VSKS. S15 with the wide body. Or over fenders, whatever they're called. Chrome Johns in the front. That's baller. Also looks like he drifts because he got the burners in the rear. Some Mitsubishi, I don't know off the top of my head. Those look like Corvette wheels. They aren't, but they look it. The rear end of this thing looks so good. Just look at the blast pipes down at the bottom. Trying to hit the floor. VSKFs on the rear, baller. Number. I think it's a Huracan. I don't really know cars like that well. Baller. Alright, I realized I didn't show these, but they seem to all be starting up now. Alright, these are sick. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, he started. Look at this guy. I know what he does. SE. Oh, the 326 Power Week? Hell yeah. Oh, smells amazing here too. Hachiroku or Levin, whatever it's called. It's pretty cool. This one looks like he doesn't drift. Based off the tires in the front and the tires in there, they look the same, but you know, maybe he does. Okay, he might. He has that. Never mind. He probably does. And let's be real here. This guy again. RX-7 with a big old wing, BBSs. I'm not a big fan of mesh on most cars, but I feel on FDs, they look decent. Okay, they look good. Let's be real here. With the canards. JZX. This guy looks like he drifts too. Oh my gosh. Another 8.6, but this one vintage. This looks like either Toge, Time Attack, something along the lines. This is the car we came in. It's me and my friend, that guy, Joseph. This is what we came in. Pretty cool. A lot of fun driving here. He said it's pretty much all OEM, but it does have an SR20 with forged internals. But the body-wise is generally OEM. 350s, I've always said this, they don't look like they're here very often. American style. On the endless brakes, it's kind of baller. Brakes and rotors. On the front and rear. Oh, look at the flakes. The flakes look so good. the flakes, but only on the roof. But they paint matched and just added flakes. I think that's pretty sick. And I feel like in America, everybody with the V-dubs are always sitting there like this because everybody's too tall in America. Here, I'm not gonna lie, that's like one of the first time I've ever seen anybody not sitting like this. I mean, hey, I'm all for it. I'm in a 240. It's not the most comfortable fit there. And there's people that are like 8 inches taller. Okay. Yeah, 8 inches taller than me that drive that chassis all the time. So I'm all for it. But we're back at the start. I haven't even gone through it all. The chaser that we saw pull in earlier. Oh my gosh. That guy. This one looks like a drift too. I mean, let's be real here. Most cars probably do drift. Honda something? I don't really know, not gonna lie. But it's on the BBS's. K car. Love how everybody bends their license plates here. I don't know. Stands for they even. Oh yeah. This is my favorite Honda ever. Love hatches. This boy has some rainbow lights, some RGB. Look at that guy. Mark 7. Seems like BBS style wheels are very common here, the mesh. Oh, it's so like. Look at this. This guy's baller. Look at the Ganadors. I love the arrow on this thing too. Also, is it true? Like, I feel most RX-7s always have OEM rear bumpers. You want to know the reason? Let me know down in the comments. Listen to them. This guy has welded diff too. You can hear the tires chirping. Oh yeah. I know what he's up to. All right, so me and my homie here, Joseph, just got done talking to a bunch of people. There was a 180SX, S14 Kuki, and a JZX Mark II. And super cool people. Got their Instas and whatnot. But while that happened, a bunch of cars pulled in. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a tour. Lamborghini leaving. Baller. This guy pulled in. This boy. We got like a clean example and a street example. Pretty sick. RX-7. I'm forgetting these mirrors. I think they're Bomex. Oh, Hachiraki. I'm forgetting these mirrors. I want to say they're Bomex. Correct me if I'm wrong. But as I say, I think RX-7s have one of the best OEM rings. I really like how it's like a ducktail type of a thing. This looks like R32 wheels. I'm not 100%. Alright. We got the Bozosoki. I mean, or I think that's what they're called here, but the blast pipes go so hard. The chandelier. The tiny steering wheel. Over here too. Look at the pulled fenders. Look at this. Look at this. Chandelier in here too with the seat covers and the beats. That's pretty cool. Oh, look how far tucked the license plate is on that one, and just no front on this one. And these are the guys that we met. 180, This guy drifts a good amount. This guy's a mechanic. Pretty cool guy. And this guy drifts his too, obviously. I mean, spare wheels in the back's pretty baller. Pretty sick. All right, just got done walking through all of Daikoku PA. It is now 12 a.m. I'm about an hour away from my place I'm staying. I had a blast, a lot of fun. Don't want to keep the guy that brought me here waiting too much longer, so I'm gonna head on out. It was a lot of fun. Don't know how much of this I'll be able to put into one video. Isn't making sense. Like I said, still getting used to recording. It's even more awkward around a bunch of I don't know, car people. And just keep this in mind. This was some random Tuesday night. Know me, I think this is sick. I wish we had something more like this around where I live. But like, yeah, a lot of fun. Good to see you guys again for another video. And next video will either be Tokyo Auto Salon, which is coming up here shortly, or it will be the biggest up garage in Japan and the world, obviously, because now they're in California too. So peace. I'll see you guys next video. All right, I just recorded the outro, but in an Indeed Miata, that goes hard.